Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are practicing worksheet 1, practice worksheet 1. So few bits are left children, so today we will complete the remaining bits. So please take out page number 37, 3737. Now let us see today E, F, G and H bits. So first we will see E bit. Match the pictures to the correct verbs. Verbs are nothing but action words. Action words are nothing but verbs. Okay? Something the work has been done. So what is the work they have done here? What is this girl doing here? Yeah, she is floating a boat, right? So float is the, you have to match this picture to this float column. Next, what is this picture? Yeah, it contains mother and a son. So what they are doing? They are talking, right? They are talking. So what you have to do? You have to match here to talk. They are talking. T-A-L-K, talk. Next, what happened here in this third picture? Yeah, something has broken, right? Yeah. So break. Break is here. B-R-E-A-K, break. You have to match here. Next, what is this girl doing? Yeah, she is sleeping. So where is sleep option? Yes, here it is. You have to match. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Understood, children? Okay. Next, F bit. Complete these sentences with the simple present tense forms of the words in the box. So here is the help box which contains simple present tense. So you have to write in the correct form. Okay. So these are the sentences. You have to choose the word from this box and write in the correct simple present tense forms. First one is done for you. Sarah drinks milk at night. So drink has been completed. Okay. Drink in the simple present tense you have to add S. Why? Because it is her daily routine. She drinks milk at night. So we will be adding here S. Okay. Next, second. Suman, do you dash to school? No, I come by bus. So which is the correct word? What can we write here? Suman, do you walk to school? Yes, walk is here. So, do you walk to school? Okay, next. Third, I dash with my friend after school. I play with my friend after school. Whenever I comes, you have to use only play. You should not add anything to that. Okay. Next, fourth. Mother dash me to the beach every Saturday. Mother takes me. T-A-K-E-S, takes. Mother takes me to the beach. That is the daily routine. So we will be adding S or ES to that verb. Next, fifth one. Reena dash a letter to her aunt every month. Reena writes, W-R-I-T-E-S, writes a letter to her aunt every month. That is also her daily routine, that every month she will be writing a letter. So we are adding here ES or S, writes. Sixth, the boat dash on the water. The boat floats on the water. F-L-O-A-T-S, floats. Okay. Next, G bit. Complete these sentences with the present continuous tense forms of the words in the brackets. So now you have to write in the blanks present continuous forms. Okay, the helping word has been given to you. First one, Farah is at home. She dash lunch, in the bracket eat. So in the present continuous you have to add is or are plus ing. This is the rule of the present continuous tense. So eat has been given and whenever she comes you have to use is plus ing. So is eating lunch. Okay, second, Neeru is at the bookstore. She dash a book. She is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading a book. Okay, next third. Karan and Suman are in the garden. They dash a kite in the bracket fly. They are flying a kite. Two persons are there, and whenever they comes, you have to use are compulsory. Next, fourth one. The lion is at the river. It dash water in the bracket drink. It is drinking, drinking, drinking. Drink plus ing you have to add. Okay, next fifth one. Sana is at the park. She dash in the bracket play. She is playing, playing, playing. Next, sixth one. I am in the kitchen. I dash my father in the bracket help. I am in the kitchen. I am helping my father. HELPING, helping my father. Okay, well, next H bit. Circle the adjectives and underline the words they describe. Adjectives are nothing but describing words. So you have to identify here adjectives. If you find the adjectives, you have to circle that adjectives and underline the words which they describe. For example, first one, Tia plays in the green field. Okay, here green is nothing but adjective. It is describing about the field. How the field is? The field is green in color. So what it is describing? Which word? Your field we have underlined. Okay, next, second one. There are red flowers in the garden. So can you guess here what is adjective? Yes, red is an adjective, and what it is describing about? It is describing about flowers. How the flowers are? Red in color. Alright, next, third. The shirt Mark is wearing is pink. Now can you guess what is adjective here? Yeah, pink is an adjective. You have to circle. And what is pink? Yes, this shirt is pink. It is describing about shirt. How the shirt is? It is pink in color. Next, fourth one. The homework was difficult. So what is adjective here? Yes, difficult is adjective. You have to circle, and homework is describing. How the homework is? Homework is difficult. Next, fifth one. Rita says the soup is tasty. Here, tasty is an adjective. You have to circle, and then soup you have to underline. It is describing about the soup. How the soup is. Next, sixth one. Yusuf is a good student. Here student is a describing noun, right? And Yusuf is also a noun. But good is a adjective. You have to circle. Understood, children? So, well, that's all for today. I hope you have understood. And please write down these bits neatly and clearly. And please do practice well. That's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.